Holy
Resurgence. Survive the time and
pretty official channel. DJ Timer. Yes? No? Okay. How to make myself retarded.
target down.
I'm gonna play.
You ever play Minecraft?
Enemy destroyed.
No.
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
I was about to say Magic.
Alright. You just play whatever you want. We'll be playing a little bit of COD. If you want to get on.
Confirmed. Locating the rest of them.
Lindley.
Yeah, I was looking online. It says toolboxing doesn't work, but I have definitely seen a difference. Maybe not like crazy significant, like where it's like night and day for some people. You wouldn't see a difference.
Oh my gosh. Magic has a.
You didn't know that? I didn't know that.
No. It's just the first time I see it.
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
Oh,
Precision airstrike standing by.
out of a 9. Absolute bars.
I'm actually I'm like popping right now. Like
I bet I can look up at it on none.
Enemy advanced UAV is Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
lock it.
Mark remaining operators. Mark them down. Marking the rest of them. Locating the rest of them. Requesting careful deploy. Enemy
Little
dropping into the
loadie.
AO. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Switching mag. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
If you kill a melee weapon, it could be some bounties. A few daily contracts. Okay. I'll go ahead and pick up this bounty then because I can.
Dude, I dashed. What do you mean I pulled it?
Phase bye bye.
Get it done.
Bye bye. What?
I hear clingers.
How does the bot even see me through the frickin' tree, dude? What? How is that even fair?
Dropping into the area.
Outside the number.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
They really think they can hold me. I'll just walk around them if I have to.
Choke somebody. I didn't hit anybody at first, but. Somebody up on this roof. I can't tell if it's okay or not.
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Good kill. Mark the rest of that squad on your tac map.
Dang it.
Get hunted.
Should have been a kill.
No.
15. Letting my enemy down. Switching max.
You try to find phase by real quick.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Dude seriously just about killed himself
Reloading.
with his own like
All
grenade.
bounty targets destroyed.
I literally almost didn't have to come up here. Shot him like once, that was it.
Gas moving in. Mark remaining operators from that
What are you
squad.
doing?
Hunt them down. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Enemy UAV overhead. Precision airstrike ready for target.
Watch out below. Psycho 2-2 is Winchester. Returning to base.
I'm surprised I only have 18 grand. I got more.
Destination marked. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunted.
Scratch that.
Additional contract online. Located the rest of them. Fire sale is active. Fire station sites. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Send it. Loading new mag.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunted. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Switching mags.
All bounty targets are KIA. Well done. Additional target added while time remains.
Eyes on
Squad's
hunter.
active in the field. Located the rest of them. Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunted.
Well, he had no self-res, but he had a bunch of cash, so I'll take that.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Resurgence is close.
Now I'm gonna become a specialist. I feel like it. Get up here. Get this bounty going.
Additional target added. All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job.
LDVR ready for launch.
Gas inbound.
All up over here this way.
Your squad's in the top 5.
Sorry about this bounty. There's 2 down here.
5 squads still operational in the AO.
I'd have found those 13 specialists, and I did.
Squad raised the restock. Advise you to load up now.
Fire solution was bad. Miss.
Enemy dropping into the AO. You're in the top 3. Don't let up now.
1v1v1. I think I'll win this. I think I'll win this simply because it's on.
The last 2. Now finish it. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. They picked the wrong spot.
That was pretty easy.
Done.
$43.